Hi guys, David here again from Reviews for Dummies. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Chronos Manager. Chronos Manager is a product for time management. So basically the better that you manage your time, the better return on investment of your time that you will get. Also, once again, the Dummies have thrown together some free bonuses for you. So when you click on the link below, it'll take you to our bonus page. So our bonus page, as you can see here, these bonuses come down at midnight Eastern Standard Time on Saturday the 21st of August. So I don't want you to miss out on them. You've got you'll have about 3 days to pick up these bonuses and then they're gone. So basically, if I run down here, bonus number 1 is access 0 to 100 in 24 hours. So to go from $0 to $100 in 24 hours using these methods. Bonus number 2 is 10 local SEO hacks that you probably didn't even know about. It's a video of a live tutorial, and it goes through some good tips that you probably never even thought about. Bonus number 3 is 2,000 copy and paste emails. So when you're using your autoresponder or you're mailing out to your list, these are some great emails that you can cut and paste and then just personalize them to your offer. Bonus number 4 is Atomic Done For You. This is a done for you software, so that you can just implement these strategies and away you go. And of course, bonus number 5 is the bonuses that are put together from the vendor. I think there's about another 5 bonuses. So on top of Chronos Manager, you're going to get about 9 bonus products for free, all for the low price, entry price of $37 for this software. And then you've got the other upsells that we'll go through shortly, which includes even Android app for your phone. So that this is a cloud-based software, so there's really nothing to download. You can have access to it wherever you are, wherever you've got internet connection. So if you click on the other link down below, which will take you to the Chronos Manager sales page, which looks something like this. Take your time, go through it. Basically, like I said there, it's a cloud-based software, so there's nothing to download. It's 100% newbie friendly. We'll go through the dashboard shortly, which will show you what's involved. So it has a calendar, it has a notes maker, it has to-do lists, and there's, for affiliates, there's even a special built-in link that will take you direct to Muncheye to give you the Warrior Plus and JB Sue launches that are coming up. Okay, so Sai Krishna is the developer and marketer of the product, and also with J. Lee Saunders from the UK. So the usual sales page. Show yourself sitting on the beach, show you some of the incomes that can be made. But basically this is about making best use of your time and making things easier, because time is one thing that we can't make any more of. We can make more money, but we can't make more time. So if we just go down, I'll quickly go down and show you the bonuses from the vendors. More figures, more sitting on the beach. Okay, so the bonuses that they've thrown here is traffic handbook. So basically it's a video course that will teach you everything you need to know about getting the right traffic to your store or your website or your offer. Time saver bonus number 2 is private label rights and how to profit from them. Time saver 3 is a YouTube course on making money, a simple hack from making money on YouTube. And then the evergreen time saver bonus number 4 is the evergreen system. It's a complete training system to teach you how to reinvigorate and breathe new life into existing affiliate links and old promotions, so you can regenerate them and post them again and make more money from the work that you've already done. And then time saver bonus number 5 is also about private label rights. So therein again, you've got a couple of $1,000s worth of bonuses there, as well as the Dummies bonuses, the 4 bonuses they've put together. And then this is going to show you how you can basically make better use of your time. So to go into this is the dashboard when you log in. So you have the calendar section, you've got the notes maker, to-do list, and then upcoming products, which basically this is Munchai built into the system. So just quickly, if we go into the calendar, it's a standard scheduling sort of calendar. So basically you can have a look. If there's a dot on the date, you can change this too. Actually, you can make it a week, you can make it a month, you can make it 2 weeks. So this is the month view. So if it's got a dot under it, that means there's one action or one could be a launch, could be a to-do, could be something like that, but something on that date. You'll see here on the 18th, there's 3 there. So if we click on the 18th, you've got the 3 items here: digital source project launch review. Someone's put in here www, means nothing, or Chronos Manager review. Let's have a look at the 19th. The 19th, you've got a product launch, make a review video. So these are all your activities to do for the day, all planned. So then you can just click on that and it takes you into more information on that appointment or that event. So you can actually put all your details here. If it was to do a video for a review or something like that, you can have all your links, your affiliate links, your links to your sales page, your bonus page, all of those sort of things, all in one place, so that when you're actually producing your video, you've got everything on hand. So back to the dashboard again, you've got Notes Maker where you can add notes. So someone's put here, watering the plants, okay, pretty important. Chronos, and it just says, okay, Chronos Manager coming up, watering the plants, water the sunflower plant, okay, anything you put in there. So basically, click on the plus down the bottom, title and description of the note, save. Same with the calendar. Fairly standard sort of calendar, but it just puts everything in one place. And for affiliate marketers, probably the most important part is this section here, which is the launches. Internet's a little bit slow, let me go back. Upcoming products. Okay, so it takes you straight into Munchai, which will give you all the JB Zoo and Warrior Plus launches coming up. So if you're into launch jacking, or you want to have a look at what launches are coming up, both the big launches and all launches, you go straight in there, usual way, click on the link, go there, get your approved for your affiliate link, and then you can put it in your calendar for when it's coming available, to do your reviews, those sort of things. So as I said, you've got the Notes Maker, to-do list. So it's just all in one spot. Down the bottom here in the left-hand corner, you've got documentation. So it's about how to use anything. If you want to know how to add an event to the calendar, it's all there in the documentation, and the contact us page, so you can actually contact the creators if you have a question. But very, very straightforward and make very good use of your time. So back to the bonus. This is the prices. Front end is $37, which gives you access to the software and the training modules. Upsell number one, $27, which is basically the same product but for use on as an Android app on your phone. Chronos Manager Plus gives you additional functionality added. So you get this Pomodoro technique, which is a time management system that splits your workday up into 25-minute chunks, so that you can keep on track with checking emails, with doing reviews, doing those sort of things. It's just a good time management system. So number three for $97 is a whole 30 days one-to-one coaching, where you can ask any questions you want and pick their brains really for time management tips to keep you on track. And then upsell number four is to launch your own product. If you're ready to launch a product, they will help you launch a product. If you don't want to do it on your own, they will go through everything from, building your sales funnel, your JV page, building out your membership site. Very, very comprehensive system. So some key benefits: it's a cloud-based software, as I said, so there's nothing to download. It's 100% newbie friendly. Munchai is integrated into the calendar. You've got your events calendar, notes maker, to-do list, complete members area and training. So there's zero monthly fees during the launch, a 30-day money-back guarantee. So this is, as I say, no questions asked. If it's not working for you, get your money back. So there's a demo video there that you can just click on that and go through the demo. It's really just a demo of what I've just showed you of the dashboard, showing you how it all operates, and then of course the 4 bonuses from the dummies, and then the 5th bonus, which is those other 5 bonuses from the vendors. So what we have there, that's it in its entirety. Go through, click on the link below, have a look at the sales page, and just saving you time is going to save you money. So thank you for watching. Click on the link in the description to get the product and the bonuses. If you like this video, click like. That always helps. Subscribe to the channel and you'll get notification. If you click on the bell there, you'll get notification of any future launches that are coming up and reviews that we do. The dummies always throw in 4 or 5 free complimentary products. Complimentary being free, and complimentary is they complement the product that you're looking at buying. So even if you buy at the base entry front end price, you still get all those bonuses. Okay, thanks for your time, and we'll see you on the next video.